Welcome to today's video discussion on the 5 ways artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the way we make money. Artificial intelligence, or AI, has made significant advancements in recent years and has become an integral part of various industries. Today, we will explore how AI is transforming the way we earn and generate income. Let's dive in. Automated trading. Our first area of discussion is automated trading. AI algorithms have revolutionized the financial industry by enabling automated trading systems. These systems use machine learning and complex algorithms to analyze vast amounts of financial data, identify patterns, and execute trades in real time. With AI's ability to process information quickly and make data-driven decisions, it has significantly impacted how people earn money through trading. In the past, trading in financial markets required extensive research, analysis, and manual execution of trades. However, with the advent of AI-powered automated trading, the landscape has drastically changed. AI algorithms can analyze large volumes of historical and real-time market data, including price movements, news, social media sentiment, and more. By identifying patterns and trends, these algorithms can make informed predictions about future market behavior. Automated trading systems can execute trades based on predefined criteria and algorithms, without the need for human intervention. This eliminates emotional biases and ensures trades are executed at the most opportune times. AI algorithms can continuously learn and adapt based on market conditions, making them increasingly effective over time. Furthermore, automated trading has become more accessible to retail investors through AI-powered trading platforms and tools. These platforms provide individuals with the ability to leverage advanced algorithms and strategies that were previously only available to institutional traders. Retail investors can now access automated trading systems, set their risk preferences, and let AI algorithms execute trades on their behalf. Virtual assistants and customer service. The rise of virtual assistants and chatbots has been remarkable. AI-powered virtual assistants can handle customer inquiries, provide personalized recommendations, and even process transactions. They are available 24/7 and can handle a high volume of requests simultaneously, significantly enhancing customer service experiences. Virtual assistants have become an integral part of customer service strategies for businesses across various industries. With AI technology, these virtual assistants can understand and respond to customer inquiries in a human-like manner. They use natural language processing algorithms to interpret and analyze customer queries, providing accurate and relevant responses. AI-powered virtual assistants have several advantages for businesses. Firstly, they provide round-the-clock availability, ensuring that customer inquiries can be addressed at any time, regardless of time zones or business hours. This improves customer satisfaction and eliminates the frustration of long wait times. Enhanced data analysis. Data analysis plays a crucial role in decision-making across various industries. AI has greatly enhanced data analysis capabilities, allowing businesses to extract valuable insights from massive datasets. With the exponential growth of data in today's digital age, businesses face the challenge of extracting meaningful information and insights from vast amounts of raw data. This is where AI-powered data analysis comes into play. AI algorithms can process and analyze data at a scale and speed that surpasses human capabilities. By leveraging machine learning techniques, AI algorithms can identify patterns, correlations, and trends within datasets. This enables businesses to make data-driven decisions, optimize processes, and uncover new revenue streams. For example, AI-powered recommendation systems can analyze customer behavior and preferences to suggest personalized products or services, increasing sales and customer satisfaction. One area where AI has been particularly transformative is in predictive analytics. By analyzing historical data and applying machine learning algorithms, AI can make accurate predictions about future outcomes and trends. This enables businesses to proactively plan and respond to market changes, reducing risks and maximizing opportunities. Predictive analytics and risk management. Predictive analytics is another area where AI is making a significant impact. By analyzing historical data and applying machine learning algorithms, AI can predict future outcomes, trends, and risks with a high degree of accuracy. predictive analytics powered by AI is transforming how businesses approach risk management. Traditionally, risk management relied on historical data and human expertise to assess potential risks. However, AI has revolutionized this process by enabling more accurate and proactive risk management strategies. AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data, including historical records, market trends, financial indicators, and external factors, to identify patterns and correlations. By recognizing these patterns, AI can make predictions about potential risks and their likelihood of occurrence. This empowers businesses to take preventive measures and mitigate risks before they materialize. For instance, in the insurance industry, AI algorithms can assess customer risk profiles based on various data points, such as demographics, medical history, and lifestyle factors. This allows insurance companies to offer personalized policies and accurately price premiums, reducing risks and ensuring fair coverage for customers. AI-powered content creation. Our final area of discussion is AI-powered content creation. AI algorithms have the ability to generate written content, including articles, news reports, and even creative writing. This technology has the potential to significantly impact the media and publishing industry. AI-powered content creation has gained attention for its ability to automate certain aspects of the writing process. By analyzing vast amounts of data and patterns from existing content, AI algorithms can generate new written material that mimics human writing styles and tones. One of the key advantages of AI-powered content creation is its ability to produce content at scale. AI algorithms can generate large volumes of content quickly, which is particularly useful for industries such as news media, where time-sensitive reporting is crucial. This technology can assist journalists and writers by providing draft content, conducting initial research, and even summarizing complex information. Additionally, AI-generated content can be customized and personalized to target specific audiences. By analyzing user data and preferences, AI algorithms can generate tailored content that resonates with individual readers. This level of personalization can enhance user engagement and drive higher conversion rates for businesses. However, it's important to note that AI-generated content is not a substitute for human creativity and expertise. While AI algorithms can generate content based on existing patterns, they may lack the ability to truly understand nuanced contexts or incorporate fresh perspectives. Human intervention and editing are necessary to ensure the quality, accuracy, and originality of the final content. Thank you for joining us in today's discussion on the 5 ways AI is changing the way we make money. We explored how AI is revolutionizing automated trading, virtual assistants and customer service, enhanced data analysis, predictive analytics and risk management, and AI-powered content creation. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more insightful discussions on the evolving world of technology. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.